Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome. Have you ever wanted to travel somewhere so distant, so far away, just because you wanted to learn more about a place that you've never been? You're not alone. If so, there are a lot of people that like to travel to unknown places to see what's there and to discover new things. One of those people that like to do that sometimes are scientists. So let's look at our reading focus for this week. Our weekly question asks, what can scientists discover by traveling to distant places? So we're going to think about that question as we read throughout the week, okay? So I want you to pay attention to the infographic over here on the side, and we will look at the text together while we listen to the words, okay? So let's read along together.
The places scientists will go. Scientists travel to barren deserts like the Atacama Desert in Chile to search for signs of life. Deserts rely on little rain to sustain life. The Atacama Desert is considered the driest desert in the world. It averages only 1 millimeter of rainfall per year. Scientists travel to Antarctica to study the kinds of life that can survive in extreme cold. Near the coast, Antarctica averages about 10 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 12 degrees Celsius. In the mountains, the temperature drops as low as negative 76 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 60 degrees Celsius. Scientists use unmanned space probes to virtually travel to far places in space. On December 2nd, 1973, Pioneer 10 sailed by Jupiter. On August 25th, 2012, Voyager 1 traveled beyond the gravitational pull of the Sun and into interstellar space. Scientists use radio telescopes to study magnetic fields and temperatures of extraterrestrial objects. This information could help scientists plan space exploration.
Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, so we noticed that a lot of these places that scientists have been, are they all in outer space? Because I know we started off with this picture of the Earth. Well, if we keep looking, no. I mean, some of the photos tell us it's not just outer space that scientists travel to study more about and to learn more about. Just because it's on Earth doesn't mean it's not distant. And there's scientists that have studied the barren deserts in Chile. Antarctica is a big place that a lot of scientists like to study more about. Of course, outer space and the solar system to learn more about our universe. So, again, thinking about our weekly question, as you read this week, you're going to be thinking about what can scientists discover by traveling to distant places. And the distant places don't have to be in outer space. Distant can be anywhere on Earth. So, now that we finished reading our infographic, we're going to take a little bit of a break and we're going to switch over to Padlet. And I have a question for you to answer. All right, your question is going to be, what distant place would you like to visit? Okay. And what do you think you would discover there? So you're going to comment on Padlet. Everyone's going to make one entry on Padlet. A link will pop up at the end of the screen once the video stops.